In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Lovable to GoHighLevel. We're going to do this by creating a form inside GoHighLevel and preparing it so you can use the embed code where needed. If you're following along, make sure you're already signed in to your GoHighLevel account so the process goes smoothly. First, open GoHighLevel. Once you're on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where most of the platform navigation lives. So if you're new to the interface, it's a good idea to get comfortable with this sidebar. From that left menu, click on Sites. This section is where GoHighLevel keeps assets related to funnels, websites, and forms. After that, click on Forms depending on what you need for your setup. In this case, we're working with forms because that's what you'll be embedding as part of the connection process. Next, click on Create Form. This will start a new form from scratch or from a pre-built layout. When the creation options appear, choose from templates. Using a template can save time and gives you a structure to work with right away, which is especially helpful if you want a faster setup. Then click Continue. After that, select a template that fits your use case. Don't overthink this part too much because the main goal here is to get the form created and ready for the next stage. Once you've picked the template you want, click Choose. Now that the form editor is open, go to the top left-hand corner and click Add Element. This opens the list of elements you can place inside the form builder. In that list, look for the HTML element. This is the key part because it gives you a place to insert custom code when needed. Once you find the HTML element, drag and drop it onto the canvas. Place it in the section of the form where you want that embedded content to appear. It helps to position it carefully so the layout stays clean and easy to use. Finally, paste the GoHighLevel embed code into the designated area inside the HTML block. Make sure the full code is inserted correctly without extra spaces or missing characters, since even a small formatting issue can prevent it from working properly. And that's it. Once the code is in place, your GoHighLevel form is set up for the connection process with Lovable. If needed, double check the placement and formatting before moving on so everything works as expected.